there's almost nothing worth doing at the St. Maarten cruise port. So I walked into Philipsburg to find out what's actually worth your time. No excursions, no paid tours, just actually what you can do on foot and a water taxi. First up, the port area itself. The moment you step off the ship, you're in a small terminal zone. A few shops, a couple of bars. There's duty-free shopping here. Watches, jewelry, liquor. Same stuff you'll find at every Caribbean cruise port. Nothing unique to St. Maarten. The bars, a rum punch will run you about $8 to $12. You can get the same drink in Philipsburg for less, and with a better view. Personally, I'd skip the port shopping entirely. There are a few places to eat near the terminal, nothing special. So here's the verdict. Port area shopping, bars, food, skip it. It's limited, overpriced, and you can do better 10 minutes down the road. Skip the port shops and follow me. The water taxi to Philipsburg is where the port actually starts to make sense. Now here's where it gets good. The taxi runs from the cruise port to Philipsburg, and it's the fastest, cheapest way to get into town. $7 round trip. You can't beat that. The ride takes about 10 minutes, and honestly, it's one of the best views you'll get of the harbor. You're on the water, Philipsburg is ahead of you, it's worth every cent just for the view. Now, there's also a walking option. You can walk from the cruise port to Philipsburg in about 20 to 25 minutes along the main road. But it's hot, and there's no shade for most of it. And after about 10 minutes, you'll wish you'd taken the taxi. So here's the verdict. Water taxi to Philipsburg, it's worth it. $7 round trip, 10-minute ride. Best harbor view you'll get without paying for an excursion. Now you're in Philipsburg, and Front Street is right in front of you. Let's see if the shopping and bars are actually worth your time. Welcome to Philipsburg. This is where your port day actually starts. Front Street is actually the main drag, and it runs parallel to the beach. You've got shops on one side and the beach on the other. That's a layout most Caribbean port towns don't have. The shopping here is solid, it's all duty-free. The prices are competitive, but here's the thing. It's the same stuff you'll find at every other duty-free cruise port in the Caribbean. Same stores, similar prices. The bars and restaurant along Front Street, that's where things get interesting. You've got everything from quick grab-and-go spots to sit-down Caribbean restaurants with ocean views. A beer runs about $4 to $6, a rum punch $5 to $8, lunch for two with drinks $40 to $60. Solid value for a port day. The food here is good. Caribbean staples like conch fritters, jerk chicken, fresh fish. Nothing fancy but fresh and filling. So here's the verdict. Front Street shopping, bars, and restaurants, it's worth it, but with a catch. The shopping is the same as every other port, but the bars, the food, and the oceanfront setting makes it worth your time. But the beach is right there, and that might be the real reason why you came to St. Maarten. Let's find out. And here's why you came to Philipsburg. Great Bay Beach, and it's right there. A 3-minute walk from where the water taxi drops you off. Free, no excursion needed, no chair rental required unless you want one. The beach runs the entire length of Philipsburg. Soft sand, calm water, and you can see your ship from here, which is kind of cool. Chair rentals run about $10 to $15. Some beach bars include a chair with a drink purchase. The water is calm because the bay is protected. No waves, perfect for swimming, floating, or just cooling off. And it's clean. The town maintains it well. For families, this is your spot. Kids can swim, you can relax, and you're 5 minutes from a bathroom and a bar. And some spots even offer Wi-Fi. You can't beat that. So here's my verdict. Great Bay Beach is worth it, and it's free access. 3-minute walk from the water taxi. Calm water, clean sand, and chair and drink combos under $20. This is what your St. Maarten port day should look like. But here's the real question. Is the port itself actually worth leaving? Let's talk about that. Let's put it all together. The port area itself, skip it. There's nothing there you can't get better and cheaper in Philipsburg. The water taxi, worth it. $7 round trip. Best view in the harbor. Front Street, worth it. With a catch. Good food, good bars, but the shopping is the same as every other Caribbean port. Great Bay Beach, worth it. Free, clean, calm, and a 3-minute walk from town. So here's my St. Maarten Port Day strategy. Get off the ship, skip the terminal, walk to the water taxi, $7, 10 minutes, you're in Philipsburg. Walk Front Street, grab a drink and some food, then hit Great Bay Beach. Spend a couple of hours there. You've had a full port day. Beach food, drinks, and shopping for all under $40 a person. That's a day well spent. Hit subscribe. I release new port guides every single week to save you time and money. I'm Andy Hodges for Cruiser's Choice. See you at the next port.